Hi, welcome to my English Corner. I really hope that I can help you understand more English words. This is part 4 in our series on most common English words. We are specifically looking at nouns. What is a noun? A noun is something, a word, that refers to people, places, or things. Our first word is answer. So when you were in school, you had to raise your hand so that you can tell the teacher your answer if she asks a question. So to respond to a question or to find a solution. If you need to find your teacher's attention or gain your teacher's attention, you will also raise your hand. Then we have world. As you can see, all of this is a world map. So this is all the places on Earth that you can go and travel on the land or the sea. This is land and this is sea. The blue is the water, the brown and green and yellow is the land. In this picture, we have food. This is something you can eat, food. And it's usually used for staying alive and enjoyment if you do it right. Now we have country. Country has two very different meanings. Number one is a place where people live outside of cities. So you can see there's a lot of grass and open spaces. But the second meaning is a specific piece of land, a part of land that belongs to certain people. So that's the two meanings. And to give you an example, a country is, for example, the USA or America, and a second country would be Britain or the UK. But they may have cities in their country. So it is not open spaces like this. But if you are talking about a place outside of the city with many open spaces, then it is also a country. This is a plant. A plant can be planted in a pot. Try to say that 3 times fast. Enjoy yourself. This is a school. A school is usually a place where you go from the ages of 5 to 18 and you learn knowledge so that you can prepare for life. In this picture, we show a father, and a father is a man who takes care of a child. The child can be male or female because the father usually has some form of family relationship to the child. Then we have a tree. A tree is just a very large form of a plant. So a plant might be this big, and a tree will be gigantic. Then we have city. So this is the opposite of countryside or country. A city is a place where many people live and work, and they usually have many buildings close together. In the second to last slide, we have Earth. Earth is our planet or the place where all of us live. Last one is eye. This is your eye. Most people have 2 eyes. I really hope this has helped you to understand a bit more of the English language. Enjoy your day.